Number 5. Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk with Paul and Frank. Today our topic is the Asus ExpertCenter PN52, the newest all-in-one desktop from Asus. This cutting-edge desktop has everything you need to stay productive at home or in the office. The PN52's sleek, modern design will make any workspace look great, and its small footprint means it won't take up too much space. It's powered by an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor and is packed with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive. The PN52 also features integrated NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphical processing, which makes it perfect for gaming, photo and video editing, and other graphics-intensive tasks. The PN52 also features a slim DVD writer and a built-in card reader. The PN52 also comes with a variety of ports, including USB 3.0, HDMI, and DisplayPort, so you can easily connect all your peripherals and external displays. Plus, the PN52 has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected no matter where you are.
Number 4. Welcome to our review of the Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC. This small but powerful mini PC is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a full computer experience in a fraction of the size. The Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC is powered by an Intel Atom quad-core processor, which allows it to deliver lightning-fast performance for everyday tasks. It comes preloaded with Windows 10 and has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This allows you to have a modern, fully functional computer that fits in the palm of your hand. And with its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you can easily connect to the internet and other devices. In addition, the Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC has a number of ports and connectors, including two USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI port, and an SD card slot. This makes it easy to connect to peripherals such as a mouse, keyboard. Number 3. Take your computing experience to the next level with the Bossgame U56 Mini PC. This high-powered mini PC packs a lot of power in a small package and is perfect for people who want the latest in computing technology without taking up too much space. The U56 Mini PC is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 256 GB NVMe SSD. This setup provides you with enough power to handle most tasks with ease. Whether you're streaming movies, playing your favorite games, or working on productivity tasks, the U56 will be able to handle it all. The U56 Mini PC is also equipped with a host of ports, including HDMI, USB 3.0, USB-C, and more. This ensures you have the ability to connect all your favorite peripherals and devices in addition. The U56 Mini PC comes with pre-installed Windows 10, giving you access to all of your favorite apps and programs. Number 2. Welcome to Asimagician Armor 5 Mini PC, the world's smallest and most powerful PC. This revolutionary PC is designed to be ultra small and powerful so you can take it with you wherever you go to stay productive, never miss a beat, and get the job done. With a tiny form factor of just 8.5 by 4.7 by 0.5, the Asimagician Armor 5 Mini PC is the perfect solution for those who need a powerful, yet portable PC. It features a powerful Intel Core processor and up to 8 GB of RAM, making it perfect for multitasking, streaming, gaming, and more. Plus, with its large 128 GB SSD, you'll get plenty of storage space. The Asimagician Armor 5 Mini PC also has plenty of connectivity options, including two USB ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Plus, it comes with both Windows 10 and Ubuntu pre-installed, so you can choose the right operating system for your needs.
Still bothered by the large traditional mainframe taking up space? U59 can help you get rid of this problem for good. It has a frosted surface and looks exquisite. With 2 HDMI and 1 USB-C port, you can easily connect 3 monitors. Supports 2 network ports. Powered by Intel 11th generation processor. Burst frequency at 2.9 GHz. With a good cooling system to keep your PC running cool. The cooling effect is beyond your imagination. Intel UHD graphics with 4K 60 FPS support for a comfortable visual feast. Small body with the same freedom to expand the HDD. 2 memory sticks with a total of 16 GB for easy access to all your daily needs. M.2 2280 SATA SSD for faster storage speeds. With a very low noise cooling fan, it is easy to enjoy silent cooling. 3-screen display support for more efficient office work and easier entertainment. It can run office software smoothly, such as PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Outlook, Access, Impress and other office software. U59 is a great choice for those who need a simple office at home or in the office.